In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Balsamiq. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just getting started, adding images to your wireframes can greatly enhance your project's effectiveness and presentation. So, let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding and can easily follow along. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Balsamiq. This is the tool we'll be using to demonstrate how to integrate images seamlessly into your projects. Once you hit enter, look at the search results. Your best bet is to click on the first result. If for some reason that's not leading you correctly, make sure to locate the URL that reads balsamiq.com. That's our destination. Now that we're on the Balsamiq website, you'll want to locate and click on the Log In button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the web page. If you're already a Balsamiq user, use your credentials to log in. Enter your email and password, making sure that everything is spelled correctly to avoid any login issues. For those of you who don't have an account yet, go ahead and register. That way, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Once you're logged in, it's time to get familiar with the user interface. You need to find the UI library. It's usually visible by default, but if you're not seeing it, don't worry. You can easily toggle it on by using the toolbar, a handy feature that provides you with all the tools you need for your wireframe design. So, make sure it's visible. In the UI library, you'll find a variety of options, and our focus today is on the Images category. Go ahead and click on Images. This section empowers you to spruce up your designs with the visuals you need. Now, here's where you get to choose how you want to bring in your images. Balsamiq enables you to either upload images directly from your disk, which means selecting images you have saved on your computer, or import images from the web. If you have a URL for the image, importing from the web can be a real time saver. So, there you have it. We've covered how to access Balsamiq, navigate to the Images section, and decide on your preferred method for uploading. By following these steps, you can now enrich your wireframes with engaging visuals, adding that extra touch of professionalism and clarity. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your design projects. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Balsamiq.